Let the people sing their stories and their songs and the music of their native land. Their lullabies and battle cries and song of hope and joy. So join us hand in hand. All across this ancient land, throughout the test of time, it was music that kept their spirits free. Those songs of yours and mine. For those who are in love, there's a song that's warm and tender. For those who are oppressed, in song you can protest. So liberate your mind and give your soul expression.
Hello.
All the way
John,
from Brighton?
All the way from Brighton.
Seagulls from Brighton.
Yes, for this exciting and important game. This important clash of the giant teams.
Yes, it is. Yes.
David and Goliath, this one really.
Yeah. Well, you're here for the match, obviously. But
I'm up for the match, but more importantly, I'm here to raise awareness of
That's your lead.
the apartheid policies of the State of Israel, and to raise awareness amongst football supporters, particularly those at Brighton and Hove Albion, because of course we have two Israeli internationals, one of whom is Jewish, the other of which is Arab, of which we are rightly proud. However, we believe that Israel should not be playing international football. It works in South Africa and it should also be working in Israel.
Well, of course, we would welcome Israeli footballers here as well, but anti-Zionist, anti-apartheid footballers.
We are anti-Zionist and not anti-Semitic in any way, shape or form. Very happy.
Yes.
Our two Israeli players have been high quality and we will be missing Hamid today. I will grant you that. I don't know who's going to put the ball in the net, but without our Israeli international striker, we are going to have some problems.
Yeah.
So there it is. There's our essential dichotomy, isn't it? So,
yes.
you know.
Well, this question of expulsion from FIFA, do you think that can work?
Oh, absolutely. Well, it worked in South Africa. It worked very effectively in South Africa. That was the number one issue, wasn't it?
It was. Yes.
Once they've been isolated that way, boycott, divestment, sanctions, and part of that will be a sporting boycott in the same way as in South Africa.
Yeah.
Nelson Mandela made reference to that as regards Israel, and we should definitely be going forward with that.
All right. So you'll soon be packing up now, go off to the match, won't you?
We'll give it another few minutes yet. The fans are streaming in, and we're getting a lot of leafleting done, and we're getting a lot of people interested. It's very important.
Can I have a look at your leaflet again?
Yeah, here we go. Leaflet. There's your leaflet.
Oh yes,
Should
and the big
FIFA
questions at the top
expel Israel?
Yeah. And I'd like your locals, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Jeff. The best of luck today. I hope you enjoy your match, and
I shall
the campaign to expel Apartheid Israel. Good morning, Carol.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm really good. You know, we've had a
Outside the arsenal with your banners and leaflets, I see.
I am. We've had a wonderful take-up of leaflets. You know, Arsenal are progressive. Club, aren't they, as far as their supporters are concerned? I'm quite amazed how many leaflets have been taken.
Yes.
People seem genuinely interested.
Yeah, but I think there's a general uptake in the leaflet, isn't there? There's a general awareness now of apartheid and what it is, I think, isn't there?
There seems to be a sea change.
Yeah.
Because when we used to come here, people would sort of look and walk away, but now you get a lot of people taking leaflets, moreover asking questions.
Yes, well that's the important thing actually, because people will need clarification what it's all about. I mean, very, very few people can believe, and it's hard to believe actually, that Israel has suffered so much to be dishing it out like this. I mean, it's hard to believe, isn't it?
I don't know. My late father always used to say that the children and the grandchildren of the oppressed are very likely to become oppressors.
Yeah.
Just so he always used to say, be on guard, be on guard. Always be vigilant, because, you know, history repeats itself.
Yes, it's true.